Hello CMS students, welcome to my channel. If new here, please like, share, subscribe. So some of the students asked me, please calculate this problem as per my notice concern. I will make this problem for you. It will be benefit for all CMS students. So let's begin. Please do the problem. So if new here, like, share, subscribe. Okay. Sri Babubai Oils Mills Baroda. Sri Babubai Oils Baroda sent 10,000 kgs of oil to Mr. Gupta and Sons in Delhi. So once again, so Sri Babubai Oils of Baroda sent 10,000 kgs of oil to Mrs. Gupta and Sons in Delhi. The cost of The cost of oil is rupees 40 per kg. Babu Boy paid 45,000 as a freight and rupees 2,500 as a insurance. In transit, 250 kgs of oil in transit. So in the meantime, the 250 kgs of oil was accidentally destroyed, for which the insurance company paid 450 for the full settlement of to Babu Bhai. So Mr. Sri Babu Bhai Oils of the Baroda sent 10,000 kgs of Mrs. Gupta and Sons. 7,000. So I later here. So Sri Babu Bhai consignor goods. So 10,000 kgs of oil to Mrs. Gupta and Sons. So Mr. Gupta and Sons Delhi. So Delhi, from Baroda to Delhi. So Babu Bhai is the consignor. So Babu Bhai is the consignor. He is the consignee. So the cost of oil is 40 per kg. So 40 per kg, 10,000 40 per total kgs is. So total kgs is, we multiply the 10,000s into 40, that is equal to 4 lakhs. So watch the carefully and without, so no need to take any urgency. So 10,000s into 40, that is equal to 4 lakhs. So this is the total amount. First we send the cost of oil of rupees 40 per kg. Babu Bhai paid 5,000 as a freight. 5,000. So 5,000 as a freight. Insurance 7,500. Sorry, insurance 2,500. So 2,500. This is the 2,500. The total expenses incurred by the consignee. So sorry, consignor. So who has sent the goods to the consignor? That is total amount 7,500. This is the expenses paid. So next point. In the transit, 250 kgs of oil. 250 kgs of oil was accidentally destroyed. For which the insurance company was paid 450. Insurance company 450. So insurance company 250 kgs of oil is destroyed by some reason. So for which insurance paid? So insurance paid for which insurance? So insurance paid. So insurance paid. So how much insurance is 450. So this is the point 1. So next point, Mr. Gupta sons took delivery of the balance. So Mr. Sons, after that, remaining balance taken by the consignor. Remaining balance. So remaining balance on delivery took delivery. So remaining balance took delivery. So delivery. Later reported. So later they reported 7,550 kgs. 7,500 kgs. So he sold rupees 60. So he sold 7,500 kgs of rupees 60 kg at the rate of 60. So 60 kg. So total amount. So total amount 7,500 into 60. That is 4,50,000. So 4,50,000. So this is the he sold total sale of amount. So next point, expenses incurred by him by rent. So consignor expenses. So consignor expenses. What the rent? Rent 2,000 salaries. So rent to salaries, advertisements. So total 2,000, 5,000, that is 12,000. So I have to total figure 5,000, 5,000, 12,000. So incurred expenses. Mr. Gumsa entered the 3% or declared commission. So commission of the consignor 3% plus 1.5%. So 1.5%. So it is commission. So commission, okay. Like this next one customer was purchased 1,000. One customer is purchased. Customer is purchased 1,000 kgs of oil at the rate of 80%. At the rate of 80% of amount due. Amount due. Amount due. Mr. Gupta also reported loss 100 kgs due to leakage. So consignor report. So consignor reported 100 kgs of oil was leakage. So oil leakage was his complaint to the consignor. Final amount due was settled. Final amount was due to settle. So final amount was the settle. Prepare necessary accounts in the books of Babu Bhai. Prepare in the books of Babu Bhai. So you need to books in the preparation of Babu Bhai Oils Limited. So we prepare the ledger accounts in the books of Babu Bhai. This is the summary of consignment. So this is the summary of consignment. So first he sent the 250 college, and once again I repeat that Baroda, so 100 kgs of oil to send to Delhi. The Babu Bhai consigning cost of oil is per kg 10 kg 4 lakhs, 5,000 as insurance pay, 7,000, and so rest of this history. So once repeat it. So like this. So first of all we prepare in the books of Sri Babu Bhai ledger accounts. So debit, credit, particular amount. So first we get into the credit side. So whenever the Babu Bhai sends so first of all we declare debit side into the debit side, consignment to Delhi account in the books of Sri Babu Bhai. Sri Babu Bhai Oils of Baroda sent is 10,000 for oil in the sales. So 10,000 first of all to goods sent on consignment, that is 4 lakhs. So 10 into 4 lakhs, so 10 into 4 lakhs. So here it is. Watch it carefully. Without so no need to worry about that. So for 4 lakhs, next expenses incurred by the, so in the books of consignment, so freight 7,000 total added. So insurance plus 5,000 plus freight, so 7,500 added. So next transit of goods was oil sales. So here it is. Next after that sales is 7,500 kg into 4,50,000. 7,500 into 60. So sales like this. So next Mr. Gupta and Sons expenses. So Mr. Gupta Sons expenses, incurred expenses 5 lakhs. So credit side expenses commission. So we need to calculate the expenses 12,000. Here it is directly mentioned here 12,000. So commission we calculated on sales 4,50,000. So calculation of commission on sales. What he says 4,50,000. I get it into total 2.5 3%, that is 4.5%. Add it. So 4.5% add it simply. 4,50,000 is sold into 4.5%. That is equals to, so 20,250. So 20,250 the expenses here. Next, the loss we need to calculate a long loss. So we need to do the calculations in the absorption. So with that, here it is. So what is the calculation of loss in transition of 250 kgs was oil was accidentally destroyed, for which insurance company paid. So insurance company paid. So no insurance company, what is the amount will be paid. So total we need to calculate it here proportionate expenses. So we need to calculate the proportionate here. Cost of 250 kg. What is the destroyed kgs of oil? That is 250. Cost of oil, the rate of is the total amount, because the cost of each cost he sent in the meantime. So that's it. So the Babu Bhai oils sent to the Baroda at the cost of 40 rupees. So we taken into the what is the loss of 250 kgs. Excuse me. The cost of 250 kgs at the rate of 40 kgs, that is 10,000. So remain 250 because only two out he sent 10,000. So 10,000. So remain, so 250 was lost. So lost is due to the oil was destroyed. So he reported the leakage. So he finally reported the leakage. So that is matter right here. So 250. That's why proportionate. So proportionate calculated 10,000. 250 kgs is lost. Old price, no need to calculate sold price. That is the mistake by a lot of students. 250 kgs at the rate of 40 kgs, because he sends which the rates of particular rates of amount. So into 10,000. So 2050 into 40,000, 10,000. Next, proportionate expenses. So 250 kgs he also he incurred expenses, right? So freight in the 5,000, 2,500. So that's why we calculated 7,500 here. Proportionate expenses like freight plus insurance, so that 5,000 plus 2,500, that is equal to 7,500. So watch it, observe carefully. So 5,000, 10,000, that is 7,500. So we calculate 10,000. So 10,000 divided by 7,500 into 250. So 250 divided by 10,000 into 7,005 expenses. So 8.75 rounded off. So 8.88, 197.5. So rounded off 188. So now we added it 10,000 plus 188. So now we calculated calculation of closing stock. So total oil consigned by Delhi. So Delhi Baroda sent to Delhi is 10,000 kgs. Here it is 10,000 kgs of cents. So 10,000 kgs here. Now calculations of closing stock. So 10,000. So 10,000 is the total. So now we will calculate calculation of closing stock. So closing stock. So now how do the calculation of stock? So total cost, total oil sent here. So total oil sent is 10,000 kg. So 10,000 kg. So watch it carefully. What I am saying, listening. Watch it and listen with the 10,000 kgs of oil at the rate of. So no need to calculate it here. So we need to calculate lost. So 250 loss here due to dust. So remaining is, so 250 remaining. So 9,750. So 9,750, right? 9,750. 10,000 leak. 10,000 minus 250 loss. First of all, so 9,750. So finally, he reported. So finally, in the question paper, he losses. They reported 7,500 sold and expenses by doesn't matter. So Mr. Gupta and Sons entered the commission of declared doesn't matter. So when the calculation of the closing stock, one customer is 1,005, that is matter normally. So first of all we calculated Sons reported loss. So Gupta and Sons reported loss 100 kgs. So 100 kgs remain. So remaining 100 kgs. So first of all is oil destroyed. Oil is totally destroyed. So now we calculated leakage reported oil leakage reported by consignor. Oil reported by the consignor. So consignee. So consignee. Sorry, any mistake? Please rectify. So any doubts? If any knows correct answer. So remaining 100. Sorry, oil leakage. So total is 9,650. So 9,650 is the total. But quantity sold. So quantity sold. So out of the quantity, how much sold? This is the total quantity of received by the consignor. So 7,500 received. So 7,500 is received. So remaining balance is. So he sold less quantity sold. He already sold the goods now. So 9,650 minus 7,500. That is equal remaining 2,500. This is the stock in hand. So now the stock in hand is 2,150. So basic cost consignee are the cost. So we need to calculate it. Basic cost. What is the cost? We said the goods that is the right. No need to calculate the sales price. That is the mistake. No need to calculate the sales price when the consignee is sold. You need to calculate it only on basic stock. That is the basic stock. What is the sell? Because it sends the goods. It sends the goods. Hopefully understand. So now, so 250. So we calculate cost of abnormal loss. So we need to calculate here it is. Calculation of abnormal loss. 250 kgs is loss 10,080. So basic concept 4 lakhs. That is 10,000 into 40. So 10 into 10,000. That is 4 lakhs. So less cost of abnormal loss. So cost of we calculated cost of abnormal loss. So it is abnormal loss because in the meantime transportation 250 kgs of oil was accidentally destroyed. It is not responsible by the consignor or consignee. So both parties cannot be responsible for in that case. It is the natural calamity. So okay, that is the basic we calculated on 40,000 4 lakhs. Hopefully understand less. So we calculated how total 250 on calculation. So 10,000. So cost of after normal loss is 100 kg. So 100 loss is due to leakage. So due to leakage. So leakage we calculated 100 kgs. Now we will calculate 100 in the proportion 100. So total remaining 9,650. So total out of leakage. So it is leakage is responsible by the consignor. So 100. So remaining thesis the subtraction. So we have subtracted 4 lakhs. So cost of 4 lakhs. So 4 lakhs is subtracted here 8 to 4 lakhs minus 10,000 1. Sorry, 4 lakhs minus 10,000 188. We got 3,89,812. This is the cost of after loss of normal loss. So after loss, now we will calculate it total 2,150 kgs. So 9,650. This is the 9,650. So that's cost of 2,150 kgs. 2,000 remaining 2,000 stock in hand. So we need to calculate it here. So subtracted 2,000. That's the cost of remaining cost 2,150. So total 399.12 into 2150. So we propose the expenses cost of. So here it is 9,650 is the total remaining balance. So 9,000 is a leakage. So consignor expenses 9,000 he exempted from the 100 kg 9,650. So remaining total. So our stock in hand we calculated abnormal loss here. 389,812 divided by total remaining stock in remain before leakage. So that's why calculated here. So 40,000 in 3 times into 2150. So rounded off. So here it is 86,849. So 86,849. So I already calculated the commission on total sales 4,50,000 4.5. We calculated here last time. So finally account for due to sales. So now we calculated Mr. Gupta answer. Consignment expense 12,000. Expense commission 2,500. So 2,500. No need to calculate after 100. So the cost of after normal loss. So after normal loss. So after normal loss 9,650. So total subtracted here. So he sold 9,750 700 minus 9,650 minus he sold 7,500. That remaining balance is 0,561. That is equal to 2. 2,150 is sold. So this is the total amount we calculated based on total amount. So total calculations. Hopefully understand. Don't get confusion here. So total calculation, whenever calculation of closing stock, I'll consign to delay is 10,000 less before he received the goods. So he took delivery. So it is delivery. So we calculated. That's it. With remaining balance we calculated. That is the abnormal loss. Simple. Cost of stock after normal loss. So after normal loss we calculated total thesis. So we are quantity sold less due to the leakage. So 250 transit less lost in transit. So 10,000 oil of consignment to delay. So subtracted remaining stock in hand. Stock in hand. So remaining we less cost of abnormal loss for 100. So cost of abnormal 250 kgs is loss. So subtracted here 10,880. 10,188. So like this. So commission are based on total sale. Declare ordinary commission. So commission is 20,250. So like this. So total 3,890 is the price divided by 9,650 before leakage. So before leakage. So after that total. So after leakage. So after leakage, what is the goods remain? What is the cost? Total quantity. Total quantity out of total oil kgs. Total oil kgs. Total oil kgs. Total oil quantity. So what is the oil quantity is remaining 9,650. So 9,650. This is the figure. Loss after abnormal loss. So into remaining closing stock. Remaining closing stock. That is equal to 2,150. We calculated on 86,849. This is that's the cost of remaining closing stock in hand. This is the consignment. This will be posted on the consignment account. So this will be posted on. So this will be posted on consignment account. So here it is. This will be posted on consignment account. This will be posted on by consignment account in the books of Babu Bhai. So 86,849. That's it. This problem will be calculated like this. So simple. So okay. When customer is purchased, it doesn't matter. What is the stock in hand remaining? While that is the very, very important. That is one. So